Hello friends, good morning from Bangladesh and happy Wednesday from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Wednesday 1 December 2021. Now morning, this Wednesday morning I visiting a tree garden. You can see behind my back tree garden area. Friends, this morning I be visiting this tree garden and I saw here is a some polluted plastic. So now I collected that plastic and that plastic threw in the dustbin. Friends, you know I always try to save nature, save our environment, save our garden. I always try to collect polluted plastic from nature, from garden. So this Wednesday morning I visiting this tree garden and I saw here is some polluted plastic or garbage and that plastic threw in the dustbin. তো বন্ধুরা আজকে বুধবার সকালে আমি আমাদের অঞ্চলের একটি গাছ বাগানে এসেছি। এখানে আমি বেশ কিছু দূষিত প্লাস্টিক দেখতে পেয়েছি। এগুলো আমি এখন সংগ্রহ করে ডাস্টবিনে নিক্ষেপ করব। তো চলুন বন্ধুরা পরিষ্কার মিশন শুরু করি। লেটস গো ফ্রেন্ড, ক্লিনিং মিশন স্টার্ট নাও। Friends, this tea garden I walked here and I saw here is a plastic. Friends, I collected this plastic. Big plastic. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our environment. So I collected this plastic. Now Wednesday morning I saw big plastic here. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our environment, our peoples, our children. So I collected polluted plastic from nature, from garden. Another big plastic here. Another one. Many big plastic here. Friends, stock garbage and collected another garbage. Let's go. I saw another plastic here. Old plastic. Another plastic. Big tree. Roof of tree. Another plastic here. Unused product. All in all bad product. Another plastic here. Another plastic here. Friends, এখানে অনেক প্লাস্টিক রয়েছে। Many plastic here. I collected this plastic. This plastic really very bad. Another one. Friends, you know I always try to save nature. So I will say let's we all save our nature, our garden, our environment, our children, and use masks here. Another plastic here. Really bad. Friends, my cleaning mission finished. I collect many polluted plastic and garbage from tree garden. I collected that polluted plastic from this garden. এখান থেকে আমি আবর্জনাগুলো সংগ্রহ করেছি। This tree garden area, beautiful place. This garbage, I collected this garbage from tree garden. Friends, and a bag in my hand, all garbage thrown in bag. Let's go. Friends, this plastic really bad for our nature, our environment, our people, our children. So let's we all, I will say, let's we all save our nature, our people, our children. আসুন আমরা প্রকৃতি থেকে দূষিত প্লাস্টিক দূর করি। Really bad plastic. Yeah. Very polluted plastic. This all. Oh shit, এখানে একটি ওল্ড ক্লথ আটকে আছে, এটা আমি নিয়ে নিই। Friends, complete. Now stop this bag. Friends, stop this garbage bag. Now this bag to in the dustbin. Let's go, friend. Friends, this our area's dustbin. This garbage bag to in this dustbin. Thank you so much, friend. And this was my nature cleaning mission in Wednesday morning.